Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, you've probably seen it all over your social media feeds. That really stylish bag for carrying your water bottle,
The Hydro Bag.
the Hydro Bag from the
Yeah,
brand Wanderfull. It's everywhere.
it really is.
And the buzz is, I mean, it's huge.
Mhm.
But with any online trend, there's always that bit of skepticism. So our mission today is pretty straightforward, especially for you if you're thinking of buying one.
Is it real?
Is Wanderfull a legitimate brand, or is this just a really, really well-marketed scam?
That's the big question. So we've gone through the sources and we're going to break it down.
Right.
We're looking past the pretty pictures at things like, transparency, operational details.
And nuts and bolts.
Exactly. The stuff that tells you if a business is built to last or just to make a quick buck.
All right, let's get into it. First impressions.
Yeah.
You land on their website, wonderfulbrand.com, and it does not feel cheap.
Not at all. It screams professional. The photography is original. The branding is super consistent. They even have the slogan, the original stylish way to carry your water bottle.
They're really positioning themselves.
Right. And then you look at the products themselves. This isn't just one bag in 10 colors. They have whole collections.
I saw that, like
Yeah.
velvet denim sports styles.
Exactly. And that signals, significant planning, sourcing, inventory. That's a level of infrastructure that a simple pop-up scam just wouldn't bother with.
Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting for me and where the source is pointed. They have an Our Story section, a media page, and the big one, a feature on Oprah's favorite things.
And that is the clincher.
That feels like a huge deal.
It's massive because getting on that list isn't just about sending a free product. There's a serious vetting process. They look at your ability to deliver, your product quality, your business stability.
So a fly-by-night operation just wouldn't make the cut.
No chance. That kind of third-party validation from a major media brand like Oprah's is, well, it's about as solid as it gets. It gives you a lot of assurance.
So what about the less glamorous stuff, the operational side? Customer service, shipping info, all the things that frustrate you when they don't work.
Well, everything seems to be in order. The sources show a functioning customer service portal, clear, detailed shipping policies, a contact section that looks real. It all works.
And the photos are all original, you said, not just stock images.
Right. You see the bag in real-life situations with different people. That adds a layer of authenticity that you just don't get from generic photos pulled from a supplier's website.
And the price point fits, too. It's not so low that it feels like a too-good-to-be-true situation.
It's priced like a boutique accessory, which suggests they believe in their own product quality and are building a sustainable brand, not just trying to clear out cheap inventory.
So when you put it all together,
The evidence is pretty overwhelming. You've got the professional presentation, the deep product lines, the operational transparency, and that confirmed media validation. The sources all point in one direction. Wanderfull appears to be a completely legitimate brand.
I don't see any of the typical red flags.
Not a single one.
That is great to hear. So, final advice for you listening. It seems like you can shop with confidence. But, it never hurts to do a quick scan of the very latest reviews before you hit that buy button, just in case.
Absolutely. And here's maybe a final thought to take with you. Think about all the scam behaviors we didn't see here. Like, there was a clear return policy, there was contact information, the checkout process was secure.
All the things you should look for.
Exactly. Keep that mental checklist handy whenever you're shopping with a new online brand. It's really the best way to stay protected.